please give everyone a brief introduction into who you are and in KSY Specialty.
Hi, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, I have to thank you, Media Zone, for selecting KSY. I'm Agnes Koon, the CEO of KSY Speciality Ltd. KSY is an insurance broker which has been set up in 32 years, 1992, by our founder sitting over there, Mr. Ko Ying. And this company, we are selling both individual and commercial business on the general insurance and the life insurance. We're selling the insurance solution and eventually advising and placing the appropriate product to our customer. Over these 3 decades, this company, we have implemented a lot of a wide range of innovation to add value to our customer. And that's why we realize that insurance is such an important element in our daily life. In fact, so many of our customers, whenever they have encountered problem, they do come to us for advice, whether it's like individual medical insurance or their commercial business. I would like to tell you that our company, we have several particular line of niches of product. Number one, we are one of the few insurance broker in Hong Kong, which is under the Lloyd's family. We are Lloyd's cover holder, which are authorized to issue insurance policy and settle claims in regard to several lines, which is one is the jewelry blocks, which is like the jewelry shop, wholesaler and retailer, manufacturer of jewelry, museum, collector, art collector, and the personal jewelry. So these are specialty line which we have to have special people to do the survey. We go to actually on site to look at all the CCTV, the security, before we actually decided what are the insurance plan and the quotation, and then we issue policy. And this is a very niche area. In Hong Kong, we only have, I think, not more than 5 company, which is a Lloyd's cover holder, have such a facility. Secondly, over these past 12 years since I joined this company, since I retired from the previous company, I believe medical insurance is so important to each of us. And when I retired from the previous company, I realized that, oh my God, my whole family usually in the past is insured by the company. Most of you are having a group medical insurance. And then you realize that suddenly no longer is available to you and your family. Then I realized that it's not so easy to understand all the medical terms when you go out to buy an individual medical insurance. Then I decided that maybe this is an area I like to specialize myself at. So I've been studying all in the market and doing a lot. Even the VHIS, I spend a lot of time to help the government, telling them what is the right thing to do, not to do whatever thing. That's why they have gone through the past 20 years, decided until now. So VHIS is something we all have to look at if you haven't got any medical insurance. My clients, most of them, they like my age. They are not really something they like to go to the website to go for the cheapest. They want somebody to explain to them. I have some pre-existing illness, something very usual like high blood pressure, high blood sugar. This is something very normal. Even people like at the age of 50, they start having all this because of work pressure. Then they find that so many of them, they cannot get the right insurance. And most of them, they got the insurance deleted on this coverage. And then they had panic and ask us for help. So what we do is that we really search around the market and have to be a little bit diligent to fill in not just one application, but maybe 4 or 5 applications from various insurance company to get the underwriting result. At the end of the day, we explain to the customer which plan is more appropriate to your advantages. A lot of time we ask insurance company, please consider to add a loading premium so that you can add back the coverage, even though my customer has a pre-existing illness. Because if you can pay for the illness and got the medical insurance cover, this is much better than you that doesn't have it. You did realize that recently the medical cost is so expensive. I got several clients, they have cancer, and the cancer treatment is for a few years, like 3 years, 4 years, can cost 4 to 5 million Hong Kong dollar. And then a lot of that, because you have insurance cover, then you can afford to buy the expensive medication to keep your life going on. Otherwise, a lot of this medication is not available from the government hospital. That's why medical insurance in a particular area, we pay a lot of attention. And of course, group medical insurance is something we actually grow very big in our company. Another thing which we find it is that we can add value and help our customer is the professional liability. I have been insuring over 200